watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Bella Gowan. Today we're going to be learning how to draw blue from Blue's Clues. I'm going to go over the supplies, but first, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so right now. Awesome. Well, today what we're going to need is a blank sheet of drawing paper, a black Sharpie or pencil to draw with, 3 shades of blue, and a light pink. Well, I'm really excited, and I hope you guys are as well. Let's see what we can come up with. We're going to start by making Blue's head. After that, we will make his eyes. We will make one circle and then another circle touching the first one. Then we will put 2 black circles inside of the ones we just made. Now we will make the nose. After that, we will begin to make the left ear. You can make the ears curve in whichever direction you choose. We decided to have ours curve upwards. Now we will make the right ear. We're almost done with Blue's head, but first we have to add some of his spots. You can put your spots in the same as ours, or you can be creative and put them wherever you'd like. Now we're going to make Blue's tongue. We'll make a small curved line underneath his face. Next, we're going to make his front paw. We will start with an upside down U, and then make small curves underneath for his toes. Then we will start making the rest of Blue's body. We will start with a small line that comes straight down from his tongue and then curves around to start one of his feet. Once we are done with that foot, we will start by making the other back foot. After you're done making that foot, all we have to do is make his tail and his back. Now for the final touch, we will add some more spots on Blue. This is how to draw Blue from Blue's Clues. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color Blue in with us.